The CORSAIR Voyager Gaming and Streaming Laptop features a 1080p Full HD webcam powered by the Elgato Camera Hub software, allowing you to easily adjust key picture and exposure settings. To begin tweaking your webcam settings, launch the Elgato Camera Hub software. Voyager's webcam should be listed under Devices as Internal Camera. Under Picture Settings, you can adjust image brightness, contrast, saturation, as well as the level of sharpening. In the Exposure Settings panel, you can toggle the Auto Exposure setting or adjust the shutter speed if in manual mode. You can also apply additional exposure compensation. We recommend leaving the exposure set to automatic and only increase the compensation level as needed, such as when you're sitting in a dimly lit room. It's important to note that integrated webcams work best when there's plenty of light on the subject, so you may want to consider adding an Elgato Keylight Air to your setup to get the best image quality out of the internal camera. Under White Balance, you can toggle the Auto White Balance mode or manually select a temperature. If you know the color temperature of your light sources, try to match the temperature setting for the webcam to those sources. And finally, under Processing, you can adjust the anti-flicker setting as needed. Once you've got your camera dialed in, click the Save button and you're good to go. And if you ever need to reset the camera to its default settings, click on the Advanced Settings button and click on Restore Factory Defaults. And that's it. The CORSAIR Voyager Gaming and Streaming Laptop's webcam, powered by the Elgato Camera Hub software, gives you easy access to your camera settings. Thanks for watching.